Okay.
You guys just take a seat at a bench. We still have time.
Okay.
Let's just be here.
In front of you already. There's some baking soda in the bowl. There's a small cup of water, and then there's a slightly bigger cup that's filled with clear glue. But our first step on making our gooey slime is to go ahead and pour in the water. So pick up the smaller cup, very gently pour it all into the bowl. And you want to pour all of it in. And then once that's all in, we're going to go ahead and choose a color. So we're going to pick one color out for the slime. But we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and black.
Pink.
And for you?
Pink. Wow.
So mix it all up.
With the popsicle stick, please. Mix it up. Ooh.
It's a little bowl.
Oh?
And you're gonna pour it in, and I want you guys to squeeze the cup as flat as you can to get all that glue out.
Yeah, all of it, yeah.
Listen, if you get it on your hands, you guys can wipe it on your coat. But
Ooh.
squeeze the cup as flat as you can. We want to get all that.
Oh, look at it. Nina, oh, color's so nice.
Yeah.
Yours is nice too.
Around with activator. This is contact lens solution. So this is going to make it turn into slime, okay? So we're going to mix it up until the bowl is all clean. It should kind of all cook up and stick together. And it's very important that we're not using our hands just yet, okay? We're just going to be stirring because even a slight poke can get it to stick everywhere. We don't want that.
Yeah, no hands, okay? Still using the popsicle stick. Stir it? I think you have to stir it, right?
Yeah.
You stir it, baby.
Oh, it's becoming slimy.
Yeah, it's gonna
Yeah, it's becoming slimy.
come up.
Yep,
Block
it's
us.
getting.
Yeah, keep going, keep going. Ooh.
Just gonna pretend this is scrambled egg.
Oh yeah, it looks like scrambled egg. Okay.
All the sides and the bottom. It
No.
helps if you kind of scoop the slime up with the stick.
Make it like this, okay? You have to scoop it.
Okay.
Like really a lot.
It's too sticky.
Like this, like this. Look, ooh. Look.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay.
Mine is silver. Wow. So sticky.
Wow, so nice.
Who made it? You made it?
Wow, it's so cute. It's like ice cream.
And mine one pink.
How about for you? All right, so we're gonna start making the second slime now. In front of us, we have white glue in the cup, and then we have in the bowl, I mean, and then we have the shaving cream on the side. I'm gonna have you guys start off by pouring in the white glue into the bowl, okay? So just tilt in the cup, and then like before, I want you guys to squeeze it. Don't worry if your hands get messy, because we are gonna get dirty this time. So if it gets on your hand, it's fine. Remember, squeeze the cup all the way flat. Okay. This time we're using liquid starch. Yeah.
Look at yeah, so cute.
So once you have the shaving cream in, go ahead, start stirring.
Stirring it. But make sure you don't touch it though. Mix that looks like Maggie. Mix. This is the fluffy.
I made it before, Mommy.
Really?
Yeah. I know how to make it.
Wow. 呢一個哥好犀利啊 ，marshmallow 啊嘛，好似 camping 嘅 marshmallow 咁樣。你啱啱嗰啲人，just white glue and shaving cream 嘅，係咪
I did it before.
？White glue shaving. No, like a square. Square.
Here, I'm gonna have you stretch and fold a bit more,
Stretch and
okay?
fold.
Stretch and fold. Let's do this and then we'll make a bubble because it's still not fully stretchy.
The bubble is stuck on me.
So cute.
It already popped. It already popped.
Oh, the top.
Oh
Ooh, wow.
my god, it's stuck to it.
Stick to your head. Oh, stick to canvas. There. Why your hand there?
It's stuck to it.
You can take it out. Just
It'll pop.
little pop.
Yeah. Because then it just sticks more and more.
Oh. I was trying to save it. No, I can't save it. Sorry. Maybe I'll try again.
And 3.
It just popped.
Get it? Yeah, get it off the side of the table because then it's gonna start falling.
Is it tiny?
Scan.
Okay, ready? Let's try it again.
Is it tiny?
Don't put it on the edge. Make sure it's on the table. On the
I want to
table,
make my
okay?
bubble. I want my bubble.
I got you, girl.
1, 2,
You can write.
and 3. There you
I
go.
mean,
Oh, but there's a hole.
I want to make another bubble. I mean,
These ones.
Oh, yay.
We'll do it at home.
Those you can close up because they're not sticking onto you.
Okay.
It's when your hand's stuck when you pull it.
Oh, yeah, I get it.
it's so lovely. Yeah, and
Ooh.
No, we can't make another one. We'll make more later. We'll get to make one more once it's full.
wait, get the slime off. It's yours. It's yours.
Shoes will eventually mix together because we're gonna make a swirl with the 2 colors. So make sure you're choosing colors that you like.
Yeah, like I'm making a pizza dough. Ooh, what's that?
This is just a bit more white glue.
Oh, yeah, you're not. Ooh, slimy. Look at what it tastes like. Ooh, lapsa. Okay, yeah, I can do whatever you want. This is the time you can make mess.
Mix it up very, very well. Stretch and fold it. Roll it around.
Is it fun? Look here. You never care. Smile, Coco. Coco, smile. Okay.
This reminds me of the
Making a snake.
remember the
Make a snake. Make a snake.
this reminds me of the stuffed crust.
What?
The stuffed crust. Stuffed crust.
Oh, nice, Tina.
Daddy yellow. It's so slippery now. It's not sticky, it's slippery. Yeah, so slippery.
Mix the green yellow first, and then we'll do the red later.
Yeah, but
Don't mix them together.
That is table is all clean, right?
What color would you
You
like?
gotta keep mixing until all the
Blue and what?
table is clean.
Purple, blue and purple.
Oh, you changed your mind.
why is it so
You want to
So
like
your
that?
purple first,
I folded it.
Ooh.
and then we'll do the blue later, but don't mix them together.
I mean,
Yeah? Okay, now mix it. Mix the purple first.
Just keep mixing
You
it.
gotta mix it as well. So you can stretch and fold it. I like stretching and folding. I think that's the easiest way to do it.
Stretch and fold it. Stretch and fold it.
I have 100.
Get all of it. Yeah, good job. George is getting good.
What's the making?
Okay, if you stretch and fold, stretch and fold.
Like,
It'll
look.
start coming
You know,
together
look.
because
Stretch and fold.
So when you rip it like that, when you stretch it really hard, that's when it starts ripping.
Yeah,
You don't want to rip hard.
Not rip
You want to
hard.
be gentle with it. That way it sticks together and you avoid all those little streams.
Is it fun?
Daddy, mommy, is this right?
Yeah, looks right, but you don't have to pull so hard so it breaks. Just enough so that it stretches. Be gentle.
That's what I did.
And then you can roll it to get all of it off the table. Paint, the shaving cream. Same with your hands. If you roll it over your hands, it'll start coming off.
Yeah, roll it over here, let's do like this. Still gotta get forward like this. You can do this.
What is your shoe?
Oh, nice color.
Where's your shoe?
Is that your right on the coat? Right on the coat. Oh, red nose? I see what they're looking for.
I want to put like something like we put in there.
Yeah, we will. Yeah. Roll it around like this. So put it down. Roll. Just like that, all over, and it'll start coming off. You see?
Let me look. Look, I'm dabbing.
Is that orange or red?
Yeah, look. Look, I keep dabbing it on the tape.
Yeah.
So yeah.
It's orange.
Yeah, no. Like really, like strong orange.
There you go.
I want to cut this line, Dina.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'll use this in pizza. Oh, it's gonna stay equal. It's gonna stay equal. No!
One, two, and three.
He said that you only could put your own thing. I think diamond. I can't only buy my diamond. Daddy, can I take a picture?
I'm filming.
I'm gonna go and I put in my own diamond. Yeah, look at, well, this is like kind of color.
Okay, ready? One, two, and three.
Wow.
Let me help you.
It popped.
No, we're gonna go play. We're gonna do something else. Do you know how to do it? Put on gloves.
Oh,
Yeah? It still feels through my glove.
You can feel it through your gloves, but it's not getting through your gloves.
I can feel it. It's can you feel it where your gloves be that I can? It's still cold. I could feel it over my glove. You can just start them?
Ask Daddy. Yeah, I guess you can start.
I mean, you see this knot? You do that, and then whenever you want to stop, just press the button. Every look.
Oh, title milk cart.
Can I take anything out of the way?
Well, we're still working on it since 5. But
Can I
I
take
know.
like the little scrap?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Thank you,
sorry.
thank you.
Yeah.